Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To learn more about video editing and some unraveled secret of video editing, please kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so as to be notified of my next upload. Okay, so from VidIQ.com, you come to this page where you get to sign up for free with a new email, or you log in with an existing email if you have already signed up before. So I'm gonna log in now because I've already signed up before and I'm using the free version. So this is how the free version looks like in your analytic page. It's so empty. You can only get to see your overview. So these are the plans: Pro, Boost and Boost Plus. So we're gonna select this option of get started with Boost. 3 months for $79 per month. 3 channels, I mean. So that means this can use this account to boost 3 channels for 1 month at the rate of $79. Wow, that's a huge amount of money. Okay, this is the payment page. You're gonna use your MasterCard. So what we'll do is we'll come in here to get our card that we're going to use to purchase this upgrading. So at modestech.blogspot.com, this is where you get this information to be used. So here you can see create new VidIQ account, select boost plan, enter a coupon code. So this is the coupon code we're gonna use, OSI. Copy that, go to our payment page, put that in the promo code OSI. Then click on the card to continue. Yeah, VidIQ Boost. Then we are going to enter code here now. We'll copy this code and click here. Then we'll click here to take us to where we're going to put the promo code, which we're going to use to generate the card details that we're going to use to pay. It automatically generates the card details for us, so we can pick a random card and use it to make the payment free of charge. So this is the card number. We'll copy that card number and go back to our payment page. So here we're gonna fill in the information: name, fill in your name and your street and the code, street code, that is your city code, post office code. This is 100218 Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. Just fill in your name and your details. It doesn't matter, just fill in the name at your own convenience. So payment info, click that to continue. So this is now we are going to put the card number, the year and the month, and CVC. So also go back to get the year and the month. So you can see that after the card number you see the year and the month, the 5th month of 2025. That's when that card is going to expire, so we'll keep using it until that time. Copy that again. There is CVC. With that, you can click on remember me or just pay. Make your payment successful now. Wow, upgrading your account in 1 moment. 1 moment, please. So we're gonna patiently wait for that to upgrade. When it's upgraded, boom, and I see our channel analytics. We'll be able to post our videos with this. So VidIQ is very much okay, because it's gonna help you, tell you what errors, what to do and what not to do at your channel to make your channel get more views. So you can see the analytics now. Analysis, everything is here. So what do we do? We're going to go back to YouTube on our video to boost. See how we're going to boost that video with this VidIQ boost. Go back to my channel. Go back to your channel. To YouTube Studio. Go select a video. When you select a video, you see boost this video, and when you boost the video, that will help you to generate tags. So we are going to first input a tag that we want our video to rank on, so that will now generate more tags for us to help us boost the video. See the tags, the suggested tags. They are recommended for this video to boost. So we're gonna be inputting that, adding that tags one by one. Post this video. See the fun in SEO, upgrading your video. So this method actually saved you a whole lot of money, $79 every month. So with this promo method, you